I started recording on the second block. Remember, this block was awesome. Like, every house was a bando. I'm in the BMF territory of Southwest Boynton. It's weird that they still use wood over here and not that plexiglass. The way they board them up now,
all three of those, I think.
they usually use plexiglass. Oh, see, Marathon owns all of them. That's why. Those are going to get torn down soon. Did you see the Marathon no trespassing on them? Look, Marathon no trespassing, right? All this is going to get torn down. That's sad. See, Marathon. Right? Those are nice houses. There's a hole in the wall.
Yeah, you know how much money these people got? Because it goes for industrial sale, so the property value
it's just going to be this
higher.
block probably. See, look, Marathon, no trespassing.
I don't think we did this one.
No, we didn't. Down there's Southwest T's house. Yeah, go down there. All these houses are gonna be torn down. That's now. What are they doing?
That's on your side.
Yeah, but only the ones boarded up they're tearing down. But what's the point? There's still gonna be some up in the neighborhood.
God damn, dog.
That was crazy. Yeah, this is. They're all going down. These are the ones you see out the freeway. It's a shame. Demolition.
Yeah.
Someone's living in that one. This is the hole right here. But it used to go like, it used to go 4 blocks down. I can't believe Marathon's gonna tear all this down. That's a shame. Those houses are.
That one could definitely be saved.
All of them can, basically. That one. Yep. Alright. I got it. That's so weird though. Like, what's the point of buying this block if you're not going to, or tear down the whole neighborhood? Because I know the next few blocks are all houses, you know, there's not bandos. This is where the hole used to be, like down here, like where it's empty. It'd go all the way to the bridge. It'd go all the way to the bridge, and it was real bad. We did all this last time, so there's no sense. That street, and then we didn't go to Southwest T's.
There's an old swing set.
Wow, that's creepy. An old park, overgrown.
Beaches.
Nature.
That's where Quan lives.
So they're just gonna tear down the first 2 streets.
Who knows how it's gonna work?
We're about to be in River Rouge now.
After the railroad tracks, I'm gonna turn.
There's gonna be nowhere to. You're gonna have to do a U-turn.
Okay, dude, this could be an amazing jump.
I'm pretty sure we're in River Rouge now.
I think this is the road, man. You know the fucking road down, because it goes all the way down to Jefferson.
What's underneath those tarps that they want hidden?
Same stuff that was just over there. It's probably stuff that can't get mold on it.
What year was it when your boy told you to get out of here because it was super dangerous?
Shit. That was like a little bit before 2010 or a little after 2010.
Marathon sucks. They done ruined Bayside. Now they're gonna ruin Boynton. Yeah, this is Rouge is the slums. Too.
Get this industrial.
Got it. Damn, watch for a flat tire through all this. Oh my god. This road is terrible.
If you got rims, put it in the coffin.
Look at that old building. Ooh, that's a sweet
That's
view.
a view. That's a
Let me
big.
go up one. Stay here for a second. Yeah, that's dope. That building up there, sweet.
Get this angle.
Yeah, I got it all. I wonder what that is, but that's old. That's cool. And this is cool as hell too. Yeah, now we're in Rouge Ecourse.
It's the water department.
I used to cut grass in Rouge. There was some rough areas I was in.
Where's my street?
Yeah, a lot of houses get torn down. This looks just like being at Southwest right here.
I mean, they call it the Black Part Southwest. Oh.
Oh, they're cheap in Rouge, man.
This area.
Look at that house from behind. Good lord. Yeah, River Rouge and Ecourse got some of the cheapest
What is that?
houses in the area.
They just keep the garage on the land. They got to.
What is that a staircase? That's a weird, like, thing. There's no, you're gonna have to go.
Let's go left and get on the. Was it Ford Street?
No, it's gonna.
Jefferson.
No,
It's gotta be Ford Street.
it's Jefferson.
Ford Street's that way.
It's Jefferson.
I said it second. You said one. Getting confused now.
This is where they have the parade for the football team and stuff.
They got real killers. Bing, 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 bing.
It's all abandoned through here too. There ain't much. There's a bunch of dispensaries.
Crackheads. You bitch. Why did you put your blinker on? Pussy?
That used to be a bar.
It was. Let's go.
Well, I got everything I needed. That's gonna go by the old high school, River Rouge,
Oh, yeah,
and,
yeah,
and the
it does.
football field.
It does line up. It'll be right by the viaduct.
Is that a state fuzzer?
It's just a cousin.
That's old River Rouge High
That's
School.
beautiful. What was that? A church at one time.
I don't know, but that's old high school.
Yeah.
And here's the beautiful new high school they built. See what happens when you start winning football? And you get a new
That was there
school built.
before. Before I started winning like that.
No, that came in. I'm gonna look up the year it came in. The football field's about to be right here. I remember after we beat them, they made us put our helmets on walking back to the bus.
Oh, they were beating on our bus. And then a hat got stolen. And there was a huge fight in middle school. Basketball. It wasn't nice.
Dang, it's the trenches down there.
Yeah, they were being mean. It's dope that you can go right down the street. Park City.
Right. Alright, I'm done filming. I'm good. That's a shame that all those boarded up houses are going to get torn down when half of them were in beautiful shape. I'm gonna have to look that up. Like, what's the point of them doing it? They're not going to get more land because there's other houses in between.
Yeah, but then they'll do that government shit and take your shit. Which is fucked. There's a skate. does everybody keep doing this?
I don't know, man.
Then you block everybody? He's got to turn on that street. It's like,
Yeah, I got this. We went by this Black's place and